All right, guys. Making a quick video here, and let's see. So this is like how you use the workbook to get the summary statistics. So instead of going to like stats or entering them into StatCrunch, you can do everything in the workbook. That's the idea here. So for example, like this problem we did in class where we had these numbers to put in, right? Um, So how do you use the workbook for that? That's a good question. So I'm going to talk about two sections here. There's Basic Stats 1, and what I want you to notice here is that it gives you more than Basic Stats 2. The advantage to Basic Stats 2 is you can put two groups in. So when we're comparing two means and you're given two data sets, um, this is what you would use. So yeah, and I've used it here with the data given in a different example problem, slightly different datas, and you know it spits out your number, your x bar, and your standard deviation for that. So yeah, pretty simple, straightforward there. On the final, this might come in handy on the final. Because it's giving you more data, and you have to put it in sorted if you were going to use like hinges. These are just quartiles and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's how that works. Sorry guys, I'm just concerned because I don't see. Yes, yeah. Let me minimize this. Okay, all right, excellent. I know you guys are seeing me now. Okay. So, oh heck, why not? I'll just use this one so we can see that it's been done. So 58.5, you know, just your standard typey here. 65.5, 50.5, 53.2, 5.1, 8.3, 53.5, 43.7. So, okay, you say, but this data isn't sorted, right? Let me just give you guys an example, right? Like if I do equals median of this data set, I get 51.85. So maybe we don't need to sort it. I don't know why that says sorted data if we don't need to sort. Go figure. Okay. But there it is. There's the stuff. So this is why. This is why we need to sort it. Look at these hinges. They're backward. The inter-hinge range, the interquartile range, for people that are using the terminology from the actual textbook. Oh yeah. So we got to sort this data. So yeah, I actually wanted to get here. Yeah. So sort the column sorted data, sort on values, smallest to largest. That's the sorting I'm looking for. Now everything is nice, right? So yeah. So if you're entering data and it's not sorted and you need sorted data for Basic Stats 1, what do? You go sort, you highlight it, you go sort, and it says smallest to largest. It's by default exactly what you need it to be to make this data sheet work. So good thing to mention there, I have to say. Okay, so quick little thing there. I'm going to need mean, I'm going to need S, I'm going to need N because I'm about to hop over to TCI tone or HT1 mu and put these values in, right? So I want the average, I want the standard deviation, and I want N. Whoops. undo, undo, undo. There we are. There we are. Click here equals, click here, enter. All right. Okay, copy that over because we're now going to do a hypothesis test. Here we are. Paste that, and you see it's not taking the values, but if I click on this guy here and say values only, it copies them right down. Okay, so what have I done here? Looks like I was solving a different version of this problem before, so yeah, I'm going to do it the easy way. Equals, click on N, enter. What's the standard deviation? Equals, click on S, enter. What's my X bar? Equals, click on the mean. Put that in there. So I'm almost done, but I have to go back over here and say, okay, so yeah, I'm testing for mu naught equal to 55 seconds, and I want to know if it's actually less than that value. So there we go. There's your t-score. Notice that they've kept a few more decimal places here. They have 7-0. Yeah, but if you think about it, we would have rounded to 7-0 too, right? Round that 9 up, you would have actually rounded to a 7-0. So with 3 decimal places, the rounding matches, the p-value matches, we're good to go. So another rendition of problem 13 from homework 20, and using the basic stats 1 thingamajigger. Note also, we could have used basic stats 2. It works just the same, but it gives you less information, but it gives you everything you need to do like a comparison of 2 means. So yeah, we'll see that in a couple videos down the road. Anyway, but yeah. So say I wanted 2 groups, right? Say I was comparing these 2 groups. I could copy this and paste it in here, and yeah, I have 2 groups. I'll keep that values and formatting only. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, and you see it's given me summary stats, the ones I care about for group 2 and for group 1. Easy peasy like that. So I hope that was a nice example of problem 1, or of problem 13 from chapter 20. That's how you use basic stats and a little bit of this T confidence interval with hypothesis testing and 1 mean. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there and come back at you with a few more today. I think I'll do a hypothesis test next with number 15 from the same homework. All right, guys. I'll get this one posted soon. All right, peace.